Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, question number 30 of NEET physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve the question number 30, and this is a theoretical question, so there is nothing to solve, just a conceptual question. Two astronauts are floating in gravitational free space. So space where there is no gravity, so gravity is zero, and two astronauts are floating. Suppose this is one astronaut and this is another astronaut. So they're floating. After having lost contact with their spaceship, so they are away from their spaceship and they're floating. The two what will happen to them? We know that if there is no other forces acting in this space, but because they are astronauts, so they're having masses, mass will be always there. Its mass is m1, its mass is m2. Suppose that the moment at this moment, suppose the distance is, suppose d is the distance between them. Okay, d is the distance of separation. In this condition, then according to Newton's law of gravitation, that the force is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So the force equals to g m1 m2 over d square. In vector form, the force will definitely act because this mass will pull this mass towards itself and this mass will pull towards itself. So the force direction will be central forces and attractive in nature. This will be the force on 2, this is 2 and this is 1, force on 2 because of 1, and this is the force on 1 because of the 2. So the force acting on this one is directed like this, and this also directed like this, so they will be moving towards each other. They will be moving towards each other. So because the force is always attractive, they always try to come near each other, they never go away from each other. So the answer is the two will move away from each other. This is not right. Towards each other, that is correct. Move towards each other. They always will try to move towards each other. So the option number 2 is correct one. Okay. Thank you.